Every year, we ask you to help us find 2 local junior football teams who deserve a brand new kit, courtesy of our friends at Eden Tyres and Servicing. And now, we're proud to announce our Kit4Kids winners for 2025. Allenton United Lions under-9s and Belper Town Juniors under-8s girls were both invited to Pride Park Stadium to receive their prize, and there were plenty of surprises along the way.
I put a lot of time into the club, into the team itself, so I'm coaching at 5 different clubs at the moment, but it's just what I enjoy to do and enjoy seeing moments like this, moments on the pitch where they can enjoy it, and just love developing football players into hopefully playing here one day. Oh, it's fantastic. So obviously getting the kits and things and sponsor money it's a big ask, especially in the short pre-season time. So to be able to have a brand new kit by Eden Tyres is just fantastic for the lads, and they can look good while playing good as well.
1, 2, 3. Oh, no, kit! We also might have 2 special visitors as well.
Hello, boys. How are you? It was a brilliant reaction. It was sort of a moment of shock, and then they saw the players, the lights came on, the kit, and yeah, it was just a massive scream and shout, cheer, jump in, and straight grabbing the kits, putting them on. They were really excited.
Come on.
Belper Town have got a number of various teams, I think 20 youth teams, and they were just advertising for players to come along. None of the girls knew each other. They were all just from, I think, 7 different schools. They needed some coaches. 4 of us have stepped forward to help out, and we've just formed from there. So they formed some great friendships. The kit was just a mismatch of previous, I think, 3 other teams. Nice to get something that they're able to enjoy that's their own and not been passed down.
We have 2 special guests. Hi, girls.
Perfect. It's just what we were hoping for. It's something to be proud of. Proper identity within Belper, and I'm sure they'll be wearing it outside, away from football as well. They've struggled to get it off the backs, I think.
Thanks again to Eden Tyres and Servicing for supporting Kit4Kids. The competition will return early next year, so keep an eye on our channels for more information.